Hello everyone, myself Kaushal Batra. I am a second year student from Maharaja Agrawal Institute of Technology. I have been working on a project named Smart Agriculture based on IoT. My project ID is SPS underscore PRO underscore 101 and my project title is Smart Agriculture based on IoT SB45404. From a long time, farmers who live far away from their crops have to travel long distances in order to reach their crops, which costs them both time and money. So, what if we created a system that deals with this problem? That's where smart agriculture comes into the play. This program helps farmers to control their crops from their comfort zones. Instead of traveling every day, farmers can travel only once a week to check on their crops. Since we all know that technology is everywhere, and it's only a matter of time when we will change the face of the farming by technology. Now, I will discuss about the platform on which all of this has happened. This is my internship dashboard. It is provided by smartinterns.com. You can see the internship I have applied for. In the internships tab, I go to my workspace. In my workspace, you can see there is a screen tab. This screen tab represents the end product that I will make. The orange tabs are the steps that I need to perform in order to get to my end product. The red tab and the blue tab consist of all the reference links and the details that I need in order to make the project. Since project planning and kickoff is the topic, I have got all the details that I need in order to make this. Using the same pattern, I will do all the orange tabs and then I will make the end products. In task and progress, as I do my progress, I will put the tab in progress. As soon as I finish the task, I will put this in my review section. Since in order to move the tab into the complete section, it is not my authority. Only the mentor can do this. Above that, you get three new tabs. Go to Git repository. In the Git repository, you will upload all the documents, all the files, all the code that you write in order to make the project and the project report. In the writer, you will write about project kickoff and project report. And in the Slack channel, it's like WhatsApp. You can talk to your mentors and to your other internship buddies. This is an overview of this internship dashboard. Next, I will discuss about the IBM Cloud. This is the IBM Cloud platform. As you can see in the catalog section, you can use the services that are available on IBM Cloud. Since the service I am using is IBM Watson IoT platform, I will go to the service. In this service, I can make devices that are useful to me. Also, I can make boards that gives me the data. In course format, I can even change them into graph formats. As you can see in the devices, device 1, I am receiving the events from IoT sensor. If I change the temperature to 21 degrees Celsius, the event will change to 21 in the temperature section. Also, in the board, I can get the data in real-time values. As I change the temperature to 27 degrees Celsius, the board changes the temperature to 27 degrees. As well as if I change the humidity to 70%, the board will change the humidity to 70. The best benefit of this device is that it's all on the cloud. you can make APIs to use this data. Now that you know about the basics, let's move on to the theory. What we are doing that we are taking the web data from the open weather API and feeding it to the web user interface. And we are also taking the IoT sensor data, which will be implemented all over the crop. This will give us the temperature, the soil temperature, and the humidity of the soil, which will also be fed into the web user interface. Also, we will be controlling the motors via buttons in the web user interface. Creating all the data in the web user interface, we will control the motors in the on and off state. This is the software design. The data from the sensors of the crop will give us the temperature, humidity, and the soil temperature, which will be fed into the web user interface. The open weather API data will give us the temperature and the humidity, which will be available in the weather. The motor on and the motor off button will control the motors. This is the end web user interface that we will get. This is the web user interface. As you can see, as I tap on the motor on button, motor is on, notification is shown. As I tap on the motor off button, the motor off is shown. This is the user interface. Moving on, how the things move on the background. This is how it moves. As I tap on the motor off button, as you can see, I receive the motor off as well as on the motor on. If I tap motor on once more, you can see I get the motor off is received. This is how we will command the motors in on and off state. Here we get the open weather API data that will tell us the weather outside. This is the temperature of the soil. This is the soil temperature. This is the temperature we're getting and the humidity. Now that you have learned about the web user interface and how things work on the background, what will really be the application of this smart agriculture? Smart agriculture will help the farmers that live in the long distance to get close to their crops, as they can control their crops from their home. This will help them save their time and money, as they used to travel every day to get to their crops.